Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel, The Destro Dev Show, a half-hour podcast and tutorial. Today we will see how we can convert one video file to GIF or GIF. You know what I mean. For this, we will actually use FFmpeg. I already have this installed on my machine, but I will show you how to do it. So you can actually execute this command. I will make it a little bit bigger. I think you can see clearly. Okay, I'm inside a directory called GIFs or GIFs. If I ls, we can see I have one file here. This is the directory and this is my video file, which is actually one MP4 file. And we will convert this MP4 file to GIF or GIF. For this, I will execute one command, which is this one, and this is cap.mp4 is my file name. If I execute this, I will wait. It may take few seconds. Okay, so it is done. I will clear it, and clearing that is actually optional. So I will execute the second command, which is this, and this is the file name of that GIF or GIF. You can see this file in the right side just got generated here. We'll wait until it is finished. It may take few seconds more. And we know actually creating GIFs or GIFs is really important for developers, because many a times we actually want to create GIFs or GIFs for Twitter, Facebook, blogs, for a lot of purposes. And now it is done. If I open it with Chromium, we can see the GIF or GIF is actually running on my Chromium. So nice. I think you guys will like it. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And I will create a lot of cool videos like tutorials. I will also add podcasts and a lot of things. Stay tuned. Ciao.